my name is Diana and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you all how I make my DIY hand sanitizer. I know with the coronavirus going around, there's not any hand sanitizer on the shelves. So with this recipe, you're going to need two ingredients. You're going to need aloe vera gel. You're going to need alcohol, 70% or higher. Mine is 91% higher. Now, I do have some essential oils here. I have grapefruit and I have lavender, but these are not mandatory. They're optional. Okay, the alcohol itself is effective, but if you want dry crack hands, honey, be my guest. Now, let's get into it. All right, so here we're going to start with the alcohol. I'm going to use 2/3 of alcohol. Okay, put that back. And then I'm going to use a 1/2 cup of aloe vera gel. Okay, 1/2 cup of aloe vera gel. All right, and we're going to stir it up. I know if you go to your store, you cannot find any hand sanitizer anywhere. This stuff is like crack. So we're going to stir it up till we mix it up real good in there. So you can't see the gel anymore. Just keep stirring till you can't see the gel. All right. Okay, so let's grab our funnel. Do this top. So we're going to pour it inside of here. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Do the same thing. Move this over here. And we still got a little left. So I'll put that inside another bottle. All right, so this one I'm going to add the grapefruit. I'm going to put 10 drops. Grapefruit in there. Same thing with the lavender. I'm going to put 10 drops in there. Okay. The top going on. All right. Now I'm going to shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. Shake it up real good. All right. So let's try it. This is the grapefruit. I'm gonna try it. Don't feel bad. It don't feel like Pharrell. It feel more like the Dollar Tree. But hey, it's effective. All right. I want to thank you all for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, I don't mind you talking about me, but don't forget to mention the good things. And have a blessed day.